and other interactive activities to engage with their audience and build a community of loyal followers. These activities incur OSA engagement and drive traffic to the business website. 7. Monitoring social media metrics. Social media platforms provide businesses with a range of metrics that can be used to monitor the performance of their profiles and content. Metrics such as likes, shares, comments, impressions, react. And engagement can give businesses insights into the effectiveness of their social media marketing strategy. Businesses can use this information to adjust their strategy and optimize their content for better performance. Monitoring social media metrics is crucial for businesses to stay on top of their social media game and make informed decisions. 8. Collaborating with influencers. Influencers are social media personalities who have a large following and can influence their audience's behavior. Businesses can collaborate with these influencers to promote their products or services to their followers. By partnering with an influencer, a business can tap into their audience and promote their products to a wider audience. Influencer marketing can be a highly effective way to reach a new audience and increase brand awareness. 9. Developing a social media strategy. To maximize the benefits of social media marketing, businesses must have a clear social media strategy. The strategy should outline the business goals, target audience, content strategy, social media platforms, and metrics. The social media strategy should be reviewed regularly and adjusted to meet changing business needs and audience preferences. A good social media strategy is crucial for businesses to achieve their marketing goals and build a strong brand presence. As social media continues to evolve and become an even more integral part of people's lives, businesses must adapt and stay abreast of the latest trends and innovations. This means recognizing the importance of video content, mobile optimization, and emerging platforms such as TikTok and Snapchat. Businesses must also be mindful of issues such as privacy concerns and the impact of social media on mental health. Consumers are increasingly looking for brands that prioritize ethical and responsible practices in their social media marketing. Another important aspect of social media marketing is measuring return on investment, ROI. By analyzing metrics such as cost per click, conversion rates, and revenue generated, businesses can determine the effectiveness of their social media campaigns and adjust their strategy accordingly. It's important to remember that social media marketing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Different businesses and industries may require different approaches to social media depending on their specific goals and target audience. Ultimately, social media marketing is all about building and nurturing relationships with customers. By providing value, being authentic, and engaging with their audience, businesses can create a loyal following and achieve long-term success on social media. Social media has revolutionized the way we communicate and interact with each other. With over 3.2 billion social media users worldwide, businesses have had to adapt to meet the demands of this ever-growing audience.